Hello everyone, welcome back on Cloud Saviors. This is Rahul Mujahid, 16x certified Microsoft certified trainer. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Microsoft Transcript. So basically, it's all about Microsoft certification and Microsoft certification dashboard. The moment you log in on your certification dashboard, then you will be having multiple options just to see your badges, just to see your certification, just to see your transcript. So we will discuss what is the exact meaning of transcript and of course how you can utilize this amazing feature just to share your certification with your manager or with your higher authority. So, yep, before starting, make sure you click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. So, whenever I upload any kind of video, you will be the one who will be notified for the same. Okay, so let's do it. I have already shared my screen. Let me just search Microsoft certification dashboard. I have to just type here Microsoft certification dashboard. You have to log in with your personal ID, not with your company ID. So make sure you do that. Okay, now it will redirect us to the Microsoft certification dashboard. As you can see, this is my dashboard, and this is my recent certification, that is the SC 900. So, yep, let me just focus on our target, that is just to discuss transcript. So, of course, in the bottom left corner, you can see your transcript here. As you can see, email or download a copy of your certification transcript for your records or share your transcript with your employer, friend, and colleagues. So, let me just click on view transcript. You don't have to go any other option. Just log in on your portal, and on your first page you will be able to see this transcript option. So it is loading right now. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so now we have our transcript page, right? As you can see, this Microsoft transcript is the official record of your exam and certification achievement. You can email yourself a copy of your transcript, share your transcript with your employer, friends, and colleagues, and download a copy. So as you can see on the upper one, you can email the complete script to your email ID. You can share it, you can download it by using PDF, and you can change the language as well. This is your name, your address, and of course your email ID as well, and your Microsoft certification ID as well. You can see right there. Let me just scroll down. Okay, so from now you can see your complete history. The moment you started your journey with your Microsoft certification, and what you are performing right now, how you are performing right now, you can see each and everything. If you scroll down, as you can see, you can just validate your authenticity, that yes, I'm an authenticate person, that yes, I'm having as much of certification, right? So instead of going into your certification dashboard and downloading your certification one by one, you can just use this complete transcript and export it in the PDF and shared it with your manager. So of course you can save your time and your effort as well. If you scroll down, we have some other options as well. This is my examination, what I have done till now. As you can see, I have started my journey around December 27 2019. That was my first examination as the 900. So today is 23 August 2021. So I have done around 15 certification, as you can see. That is including memcit certification as well. So as you can see, everything active from and till which date it is active. You can see each and everything about your certification history. So yep, now let me just discuss about this first option, that is the email one. So the moment you click on email transcript, you can just initiate one email to your registered email ID. So one email will be sent to your email ID, and you can download this transcript from your email as well. Okay, that is the first option. Second option, we have share option. So this is the amazing option. Basically, you can share this transcript with your colleagues or with your manager as well, without downloading anything on your system. The moment you select this option, then you have to give one access code, kind of we can say password. So by using transcript ID, that will be an auto generated code. So if the person is having your transcript ID and access code, so they can see each and everything about your certification history. Okay. The advantage is you don't have to download anything, you don't have to use any email, you don't have to store anything. You just have to provide one transcript ID and access code. So people who is having this ID and access code, they would be able to see your certification journey on their system as well. Okay, you can do this thing as well. Now we have the last option, that is the PDF one. If you want to generate, if you want to export this complete information in a PDF, then you can export this thing as well. Let me do that. Okay, basically it will create one PDF that will include everything about your active certification and how many certification you have done till this particular date. Okay, so of course you can download this PDF and you can share this PDF with your manager or with your colleague or with I mean with your higher authority as well, as per your requirement. So of course it will create one PDF that will take some time. We have to wait. Okay, now as you can see, we have our PDF. Let me open this particular PDF. Perfect. Now I have a complete PDF mentioning each and everything about my certification journey and what are the active one, what is the history of MCT program and the exams, whatever I have done till this particular date. So you have these three pages. You can just share these pages with your manager or with your higher authority as per your requirement. You don't have to download each and every certification again and again for your authenticity. You can just share this particular PDF with your colleagues and yep, you're good to go. So yep, that's all about Microsoft official transcript. And of course, if you like the video, then make sure you share with these other people. And see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.